In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful, I just want to show you. This is the reality. Many scholars they didn't give to you. This is the main bottom point like for Hindu, and this is main bottom point for Jewish. They similar like they hate Muslims. Today you can see in India they hate Muslims, and Jewish Israel they hate Muslims. So if you check the history, Israel, I give to you very good knowledge for you. This is my challenge for Jew Christian scholars. This is Jewish and Christian scholars. I challenge you. Jewish in the history, they don't have one single country. In the history, when they make history after Moses, they don't have one single country. Remember this. Before the 1948, you can't find in the map Jewish country like Jewish. No doubt have history in German. That's why Hitler killed 6 million, and he says this guy is like a not a human like. This word enough for him, Jewish. And Allah says they are arrogant. That's why He give to Jewish 72,000 prophets. And then Allah dislike and He give it to Jesus and Muhammad in Islam. Allah dislike Jewish, that's why He not continue Children of Israel religion. Children of Israel religion only Jewish, and they don't have one single country. When they make new religion before the Islam, Abraham time, and all prophets came in Islam. That's why Allah says Sahife they call small books, and Ismail time small books, and then Moses time Torah, then David time Psalm, and Jesus time Injil, not the Bible, and Muhammad prophet final book is the Quran. So now why I am talking similar like Jew and Hindu, thankless like Hindu. Remember this, thankless like we sacrifice a lot of in India. First I want to show freedom. When they start 1918, they want to kick out British that time. They don't want to tolerate British in India. 300 years after that, they fed up with British and Indian Muslims. They come forward, and his name is Tipu Sultan. He start this mission like, and he said we don't want to see here British government, and they start freedom of religion and independence like they want to bring, and they call the people Indian Hindu and Muslims. One Tipu Sultan, then two, I think his name Shaukat Ali Jawhar, Muhammad Ali Jawhar, two brothers. They give to first message for Indians, whoever they are Muslims, whoever they are Hindu, they give the message. They say we can't tolerate British. That's why they start. So first, remember this, we give to that, India, very good, message for Indians, Hindu and Muslims. And we sacrifice a lot. And we make Indian, they all divided territories like Hindu rulers, kings that time. So when the Mughal came and they make Kashmir to Kanyakumari, one country like they call Bharat, they call Hindustan. Only the Hindustan word give to Muslims. That's why they don't have before also one country, Hindu. Hindu religion, just they start 3,000 years like same Jewish. They don't have one single country. Remember this, they said they have 33 million gods. So single country they don't have. After that you can come this point, Ahmad Deedat and Zakir Naik, very good scholars, they beat Hinduism. Ahmad Deedat beat Christianity in Europe and Zakir Naik beat, Hinduism in India. So this is the famous story. Like after that you can see one Usman Ali Basha, he is the richest world top 10 number, he is Usman Ali Basha, and he give the gift for Kohinoor diamond. Now you can understand this point also. Why Muslims sacrifice in India? Because you can go Indian Gate over there, 65% Muslim martyrs. They die for country. Because of country, they die. 65% Muslims, 35% Hindu. But RSS, BJP, they not participate that time. So this is the real history. Now you can come. M.F. Hussain, he is a artist, very famous. Sania Mirza, lady, tennis player, very famous. Azharuddin, very famous. Even Mansur Ali Khan, Patodi cricketer, he is a famous. They captains both Azharuddin and Mansur Ali Khan one time. And he have, magazine also, cricket magazine, Mansur Ali Khan Patodi. And we have 2 universities, still we have. Aligarh University for education, Hindu, they don't have education. They're very, conservative, they're very back still today. 90% you can go in the villages, they don't know what is the real, history in India. They don't know because they don't have education. That's the drawback, Hindu. And we have Usman University in Hyderabad. We have Urdu MBBS also, doctorate, you can take it. In certificate also they give to that, and they can, go Urdu medium, doctor, MBBS like. Hindi, they don't have Hindi doctor like in the universities those days. And Aligarh University, Urdu medium plus English medium. And they all well-educated Muslims, they migrate other countries. So 2 Muslims, we have universities in India. For education, we give to the education like for Hindus. Remember that. Now you can go in famous Dilip Kumar. He's a legend actor in India. You can go Salman Khan. He's a, give it to that blockbuster movies 11 in history. And he's a, big money maker like, king like for money. In Bollywood, Salman Khan, no one beat him. Even Khader Khan, he is a story writer and dialogue writer. He is a famous. Salim and Javed, they both are famous. Naushad music, famous. A.R. Rahman, worldwide Oscar and some more other award winner. Grammy Awards, I think. Yeah. So you can check that history Indian. We have very famous King Akbar. We have very famous King Babur. We have very famous king up to Bahadur Shah Zafar. So we make Taj Mahal. We have history in India. All whatever historical places, Muslim make that. Now you can go in India today. They don't know reality Indian. That's why they don't have God. Honestly, I'm telling you, Allahu Akbar.